In today's video, we will be taking a look at the best air fryers you can buy this year. And as usual, we have the links to all the air fryers mentioned in the description below. And make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, let's go straight to the video. Number 5. Ninja OP301 Foodie. The Ninja OP301 is the perfect blend of an air fryer and pressure cooker. While you can't use both functions at the same time, you can use them one after another or use either one separately, so you can quickly pressure cook a whole chicken. Then use the air fryer function to perfectly brown and crisp the skin. This has a 6.5 quart capacity in the cooking pot, while the cook and crisp basket holds 4 quarts and can be used for both pressure cooking and air frying. A reversible stainless steel cooking rack is also included for even more versatility. Number 4. Breville BOV900BSS Convection and Air Fry Smart Oven Air. Breville is known for manufacturing high-quality appliances that will last for years, and the Breville BOV900BSS Convection and Air Fry Smart Oven Air is no exception. It offers 2 air speeds, so you can choose to cook faster or slower depending on what you're making. It also has 6 separate heating elements, so your food will cook evenly whether you're roasting, reheating, or frying. There are a total of 13 different cooking functions to choose from, including everything from proofing bread dough to toasting the finished slices. It's a large oven that will let you toast 9 slices of bread at once or roast a 14-pound turkey, and it can accommodate most 5-quart Dutch ovens, 9x13 baking pans, and 12-cup muffin pans, as long as they don't have extra large handles. Like your oven, this model has an internal light that turns on when the cooking is done so you can see the finished product or just monitor the cooking process. Number 3. Kosari 5.8 quart electric air fryer. With 11 presets, a beautiful LED screen for selecting your functions, and a reminder when it's time to shake the cooking basket, this model couldn't be easier to use. If you're cooking for a large group, the 5.8 quart capacity makes this big enough for large meals and then some. It can fit a 5 to 6 pound chicken or plenty of wings. So it's great for more than just after school snacks. Another great feature, this air fryer comes with a cookbook that features over 100 recipes, so you'll never run out of things to cook. Number 2. Philips Air Fryer Viva Turbo Star. Whether you're looking for a multifunctional cooking appliance or a gadget that produces healthier but delicious meals, investing in an air fryer is a smart choice. For a reliable and attractive option, we recommend the Philips Air Fryer Viva Turbo Star. Philips isn't as well known as Cuisinart or Breville, but they were one of the first manufacturers to bring air fryers into home kitchens. The TurboStar has 4 preset functions for cooking popular meals, meat, fish, fries, and drumsticks, dishwasher-safe parts, and a keep warm function that makes sure your food remains warm and ready to serve while you finish other aspects of the meal. The proprietary TurboStar technology is also designed to cook foods evenly, so you won't have to stop cooking to shake the basket of fries for the perfect poutine. The digital display makes it easy to see the settings that are all controlled with a simple knob. To make cooking even easier, there's a downloadable app that has 200 recipes designed for the air fryer. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 7-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. You may know the Instant Pot company from their popular line of electric pressure cookers, but they also manufacture other gadgets that are useful in the kitchen. The Instant Vortex Plus 7-in-1 Air Fryer Oven is one of their latest offerings, combining the features of a standard air fryer with features you'd find in countertop ovens. The cooking basket rotates during cooking, so your fries or wings will tumble during cooking, so they'll cook and brown evenly. When you're cooking something larger, you can ditch the basket and rotisserie cooking a 4-pound chicken or a roast, or you can use the 2 cooking trays for foods that shouldn't tumble or spin. Our reviewer said she was able to roast a 4-pound chicken in 45 minutes, and that it tasted as good as those that are slow roasted for an entire day. A drip tray keeps everything tidy and makes cleanup easier. This has a 10-quart capacity, so you'll have plenty of room when cooking for the whole family. Bonus! Power Air Fryer 360 by Chef Emeril Lagasse. If you're looking for a kitchen gadget that has the benefit of both an air fryer and toaster oven, the all-new Power Air Fryer 360 by Chef Emeril Lagasse fits the bill. It looks like a big toaster oven, but it's so much more than that. This air fryer boasts 5 heating elements and 360-degree quick cook technology, so you can produce perfect fries, meats, and vegetables with delicious flavor and with less oil. There are 12 preset cooking functions, which is more than most air fryers, so you can choose how you want to cook your meal. Other notable features include an interior light, LCD digital display, and the memory feature that remembers your last preset and temperature, so you can repeat the cooking process without fiddling with the controls. It comes with a cookbook, rotisserie spit, drip tray, pizza rack, baking pan, and crisper tray. While the reviews for this product are largely positive, several customers noted that it took longer to cook their food than other models they've tried. Thanks for watching, and help us reach 100,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button below.